Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your college on Discord. Whether you want to connect with fellow students or showcase your school pride, customizing your profile is the way to go. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't updated your app lately, now's a good time to do so for an improved experience. Once you're in the app, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll see a few options pop up. Look for Edit Profile and give that a tap as well. Now we're getting closer. Under the About Me section, you can enter your college name. This is your chance to represent your school. Once you've entered the information, don't forget to tap the Save button at the top right of your screen. And just like that, you've shared your college on Discord. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to connect with other students and make the most out of your Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.